Okay, so this is chapter 4, vector mechanics for engineers or statics. So these are the different topics included in chapter 4. So we will be discussing equilibrium of rigid bodies. For a rigid body in static equilibrium, the external forces and moments are balanced and will impart no translation or rotational motion to the body. So all external forces and moments are in equilibrium or in static equilibrium. The necessary and sufficient conditions for static equilibrium of a body are the resultant force and couple from all external forces form a system equivalent to zero. So these are the necessary conditions for static equilibrium. So these are the equations that we can use in order for us to solve a system of forces that is subjected to a rigid body. So we can sum up forces and equate it to zero. Summing up forces, if in two dimensions we have x and y axis, so we can sum up forces along x, equate it to zero, and we can sum up forces along y, equal to zero. Or we can sum up moment at any point, say at point O, equal to zero. This is summation of r times f, or simply force times perpendicular distance. Resolving each force and moment into its rectangular components leads to 6 scalar equations, which also express conditions for static equilibrium. So in 3 dimensions, so these are the components of, or the rectangular components of the force and the moment. So these are the equations that we can use in order to solve a problem with regards to rigid bodies in equilibrium. So first step in solving or in analyzing the problem is we should know how to write the correct free body diagram, complete with all the forces that are given and those that are unknown. So first step in static equilibrium analysis of rigid body is the identification of all the forces acting on the body with a free body diagram. So select the extent of the free body and detach it from the ground and all other bodies. So select the extent kung sa himuan ng free body diagram, detach it from the system, and then draw the necessary forces that are present on such system. So indicate the point of application, magnitude, and direction of the external forces, including the self-weight of the rigid body. Indicate the point of application and assume direction of unknown and applied forces. This usually consists of reactions through which the ground and other bodies oppose the possible motion of rigid body. Point of application and direction of applied forces or reactions. These are reactions through which the ground and other bodies oppose possible motion of the body. So such as this one, these are reactions. Include dimensions necessary to compute the moments and the forces. So, mo ni siya ang complete free body diagram. Na kay forces, kaning force given, kaning force given also sa problem. Kani are the unknown forces. So, kung kablo ka unsay type sa support, then you can sketch the necessary reaction forces na unknown. And also, it must include all the necessary dimensions na kailangan to compute the moments of the forces. So, muna siya ang mga basic or common nga reactions at supports and connections for a two-dimensional structure. So, natay supports. Pareha ni. Nakay crane. This is a crane. Tapos, natay supports at point A and point B. So, unsa man nga mga klase sa supports? So, natay reactions. So, siya, number of reactions. Dayon types of supports. So, we have reaction equivalent to a force with a known line of action. So, one type of support are rollers, rocker, frictionless surface. Pag inani gani ang supporting structure, iyahang reaction ana niya at that point kung aha siya nag-touch sa support o sa surface tara perpendicular to the point of application kung halapit imuhang support perpendicular ana niya na diha imuhang reaction sa kanipod nga support na diha imong reaction sa kanang support o gani na imong reaction niya isa lang ka reaction kay kung tan-aw nato ang type sa support roller ang roller gani kung aha dapit to imong support is na diri along this axis meaning ang imong structure at this point dili siya pwede mag-move or wala siya translation or movement along y-axis dili siya pwede maka-move along y due to this support pero roller na siya so magliligid na siya along x-axis so pwede siya maka-move to the right or to the left so along x in this case along x pwede siya maka-move pero along y dili siya maka-move so kung aha tong axis nga gi-restrict iyang movement naa diha imuhang reaction so kung aha siya nga dili pwede maka-move napud tay another type of support which is short cable short link pag inani gani ang iyahang support muni kaning cable o kaning link kani siya is an example of ang link two force member or ang timan-an nga basta cable ug link ang reaction niya na is naa along sa body sa imong support so na dira tensile man siya so gabira siya paano kanipod kana na siya naa along sa body along sa bitaw ani niya yang axis centroidal axis bitaw so axis along sa body sa imong support na diha nag-act imong reaction we have another type which is a frictionless rod collar on a frictionless rod kaning collar karon mo ni siya imong support na siya naputay frictionless pin kani nga pin nga naa siya sa slot so pwede siya maka-move along dira pero along 90 degrees kung aha to dapit siya pwede maka-move 90 degrees ana para po dani maka-move siya diri pero 90 degrees ana dili siya maka-move so naa diha ang imong reaction kung aha tong axis nga dili maka-move imong structure naa diha ang present sa imong reaction again these are the supports this one are the reactions okay another type kana siya maumaura ni sila because isa lang iyahang reaction at the supports natay another type which is pin frictionless pin or hinge or sometimes inani na siya forma siya imong surface, na din imong hinge na siya, hinge na siya. Tapos rough surface. Kaya siya is ang iyahang reaction ana is force of unknown direction. So say ang iyahang reaction at the support say na diri kabalo unknown man yung direction meaning kung sa iyang axis about x-axis mo yung direction na or kani siya pod pwede siya na diha muna yung reaction pero naa kay makuha nga x and y components of this reaction are. So, pwede nimo siya i-sketch as horizontal and vertical components, say Rx and Ry. So, for rollers, rockers, frictional surface, short link, short cable, isa ra gyud iyahang reaction. But for hinge, pin, hinge, rough surface, naatay duha ka component sa iyang reaction. Mini iyahang reaction. But, makasolve ta og horizontal ug iyahang vertical components. Siya. So, naatay two number of reactions for pin or hinge or rough surface. Then we have fixed support or sometimes na siya pag-sketch kinala yung structure dito siya ani support or kung nakatagilid siya kinadiri mo ang beam kani siya nga connection o kani siya nga support is called a fixed support. Pag fixed gani balik ta diri pag hinge support gani or rough surface naa siya reaction along x, naa siya reaction along y. This means that your structure is restricted to move or to translate along x. So, dili siya pwede move to the right, dili siya pwede move to the left. Naa po siya reaction along y, so dili po siya pwede move downward, dili po siya pwede move upward. So, gi-restrict iyahang movement at this particular point kung aha ang support along x o along y. But, naay tendency nga mo-rotate imong structure pa na bang direction or the opposite. Kay wala man siya reaction nga ga-prevent og rotation. Ang iyaha lang is translation along x and along y. But for fixed support, so na siya tulo na gyud na kay horizontal reaction, na kay reaction along y. So, dili siya pwede mag-move along x. At this point, di siya pwede mag-move along y. Tapos, naaman siya yung moment. Moment, say, at this point, na siya yung moment. So, ang imong example, ang moment niya is pana. So, imong structure is prevented to rotate because na siya reaction nga couple or movement at the support. So, meron siyang common gid ang rollers or rockers. So, naka-isa ka nun or isa ka reaction. Dayon, natay frictional spin or hinge, natay two reactions. Pag fixed support dayon, natay tulo. So, we have Rx, Ry, and moment. So, these are the actual nga itsura sa mga supports at different structures. So, natay hinge, roller, rocker, another hinge support. Kani siya. Hinge support. This one are fixed. So, fixed siya diretso sa wall. Kani siya dayon is another rocker. Rocker bearing support in a roadway of a bridge. Kani siya, muna siya ang link. Slider. Or this one. Pwede siya makamove along dere. Kita mo siya mga frictionless. So, pwede siya makamove along dere. Pero, along sa iyahang 90 degree dira or perpendicular sa iyaha, na siya reaction. Equilibrium of a rigid body in two dimensions. So, natay structure such as this one, this is a truss subjected with forces at points, tulo ka points. Dayon, supported at point A and point B. So, at point A, iyang support is a hinge. At point B, iyang support is a roller. So, dapat familiarize ninyo kung unsay reactions at the support nga gibutang sa problem. So, in this case, natay hinge, natay horizontal and vertical. Say, this is AX, AY. Then, diri pod, pwede siya makamove along aning axis, pero along Y, dili. So, diha karon ito ang reaction. Say, BY. Or this one. For all forces and moments acting on a two-dimensional structure, so mo yung mga equations dayon niya. F along Z, force equal to 0. Force along Z. If this is Y, X, along Z is towards you. Napadung sa likod mo na siya ang Z-axis. Equations of equilibrium. Muna siya ang equations of equilibrium that we can use in solving for, say, the reactions at the support. So, we can use summation of forces along X equals 0, summation of forces along Y equals 0, summation of moment at any point. Pwede ka mag-moment diri, moment dira. At any point equal to 0. Depende sa imuhang ginapangita sa problem. The three equations can be solved for no more than 3 unknowns. So, siya, 3 equations can solve up to 3 unknowns. Kung duha ra imong equations, obviously, dili ka makasolve og 3 kabuk unknowns. Dapat equal ra yung number sa equations ug sa unknown, or kung mas daghan imong equation kaysa imong unknowns, mas masolve nimo siya. But pag more than gali imong unknowns than your number of equations, then you cannot solve the problem. So the 3 equations cannot be augmented with additional equations, but they can be replaced. So pwede nimo siya instead, depende sa imong pag-analyze. Usahay mag-analyze ka nga dili na ka magamit og summation of forces along X, you can use only summation of moment. Pwede ka pa na siya. Mag-moment ka dire, you can solve for this. Mag-moment na pud ka dire, you can solve for this. Summation of forces horizontal na yun ka, masolve nimo ni siyang AX. Or, summation of forces along X, masolve nimo ni siya. Mag-moment ka dire, masolve nimo siya. Then, mag-summation of forces along Y din ka, equal 0, masolve nimo na siya. Pwede ka pa rin na. Or pwede pa din na. Kaya depende sa mga pag-analyze sa problem. More unknowns than equations. So, sample ka ni. Duha ka hinge. So, upat ka book reactions tanan. So, dili naman siya ma-solve. Ang tawag na niya is statically indeterminate, meaning your number of equations is not enough to solve the number of unknowns. Kani siya, fewer unknowns than equations, so partially constrained. Kani siya nga structure, though nagdagan kay equations nga pwede nimo gamiton, more than the number of unknowns, yung unknowns is duha lang. Pero kung tanaw nito ang structure, it is partially constrained. So, na-tendency nga, kaning parts sa structure, madagan siya dira. Kaya wala siya support along y-axis. Puro siya roller. So, pwede siya makamove in both directions along x-axis. Tapos, kani, still the same. Equal yung number of unknowns. Diba na siya reaction, reaction, reaction. Tulo ka unknowns. Diba equals tulo ka equations. Okay, unta siya. But looking at the supports, ang imong support, puro roller. So, what I have mentioned today, same ra gyapon. May tendency nga imong kana nga part sa imong structure will move along x. So, pwede siya man-translate. Dili siya properly supported, or this is improperly constrained. Okay, example problem 1. Ano siya solution? Pero i-try lang yapon nato siya solve. So, yun dire, fixed crane, kanino nga crane, fixed, has a mass of 1,000 kilograms. Pero yung gitag mass sa crane, always kina siya mag-act at the center of gravity. Muna iyahang self-weight. It is held in place by a pin at A. So, na daw tayo, pin support. And a rocker support. At B, the center of gravity of the crane is located at G. What are the components of the reactions at A and at B? So, ang crane na 1,000 kilograms is used to lift a crate, which is 2,400 kilograms. Okay. So, nani. Atong i-kompleto o sketch atong free-body diagram. Pwede na diretso din from the figure, diretso na ibutang forces. Or, kung gusto nga mag-draw nimo siya utro, sketch nimo na siya utro, kaninga part. Taman diha. Or, ikan dira, kaninga part. Simula nimo siya separate na free body diagram. Or, pwede na again. Pwede na diretso. Okay. Kanina siya, mani atong crate na 2,400 kilograms. Tapos, ang crane na to has a weight or mass di mass. Na siya mass na gina-carry, kanipod iyahang mass is 1,000 kilograms. So, weight of the crane is 24 times 9.81 meter per second squared. Na tayo weight na 24 times 9.81 23544 newtons. Tapos, weight sa crane. Crate na siya. Crate. Ang isa, crane, is equal to 1,000 9.5 times 9.81 or 9810 newtons. Okay. So, na tayo duha ka forces na known. At the supports, sa tanaw na to, kani siya is a pin support. Pag pin support gani, naatay duha ka reactions. So, naatay reaction, kani siya, ibutang ako nga padulong sa right. Assumption lang ni siya. Kani po siya, butang nako nga upward. So, this is AY. This one is AX. Again, imalin ninyo, kaning direction, kaning sense na kung gibutang aning mga forces are assumption only. Assumption meaning, pag compute nimo, pag mag-negative iyang value, di mo siyang balihon, kung mo siyang positive, tapos balihon na yun imong gi-assume nga direction. Okay. At B dayon, this is a rocker. Rocker, so na siya tendency nga pwede siya mag-move along y-axis, pero along x, na siya reaction. At along x-axis, say this is px. Dayon natay dimensions, distances. So, kompleto na dayon ato ang free body diagram. So, this is the complete free body diagram. Naay forces nga known, naay forces nga unknown, naay dimensions. So, kompleto na siya. Rocker. Okay. So, ang ato ang kailangan i-solve is what components of at A and B. Dayon, equations we can use. So, sa mga equations na pwede natin gamitan, we can use equation summation of forces along x equal to 0. We can use summation of forces along y equal to 0. And we can use summation of moment equal to 0. Moment at any point na gusto ka makuha o moment. So, para kabalota, dili lang kayo pataka diretso gamit sa mga equations. Kailangan nato i-analyze ito ang system of forces, atong rigid body. Okay. So, unsa may pwede nato gamiton na equation nga makasolve taog. Kaya ang ano nato kay kaniman kani o gani. Unsa may pwede nato gamiton aning tulo nga makasolve taog isa ka unknown. Okay, tanaw na to ha. If we use summation of forces along x equal to 0, meaning i-add na to tanan forces along x, ato din siyang i-equate sa 0. Unsa may mga forces nga along x? Diri sa to ang free body diagram. So, natay ax, natay bx. Kana ra duha. And both are unknown. So, wala tayo ma-solve. So, dili na to unahon gamit ni nga equation. Next equation. Ano na to? If we use summation of forces along y equal to 0, so we add tanan forces along y-axis equate to 0. So, may mga forces along y. We have 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, paubos, kanisya, paubos, og ay pataas, which is unknown. In this case, isa ka known, duha ka buok known value. So, masolve na to ni ay. So, muna siya itong una nga gamiton nga equation. So, summation of forces along y equal to 0. Again, assume direction. Example ha. Sa may i-add akong nata along y-axis, ano siya along y-axis. I-assume na to nga tanan forces nga pasaka positive. Pwede po gamitin nga tanan forces paubos positive. Pwede ka na. Ako na ipakita later ha. Okay. Let's assume kung unsa tong tanaw ni mga forces along y. Kung unsa ti mong unknown, para mas easier ang imong pag-assume sa imong direction na positive, i-assume ni mo kung unsa tong imong unknown, kung unsa imong i-assume diri nga direction, muna imong i-assume nga positive. Para lang mas easier lang siya. Let's assume tanan forces nga pasaka positive. So pasaka nga ay positive. Paubos dayon, so minus 9810. Kay paubos pa siya. Minus pa gyud 2, 3, 5, 4, 4. Wala na lain, so equals 0. Kani dayon duha, ibalik na to sa pikas. Nga dayon tay value sa AY, which is equal to ang 9810, may mo na siyang positive 9810 plus 23544. Therefore, AY is 33354. This is newtons. So, muna siya itong AY. What if, kanya ko yung salata, what if nag-assume ko summation of forces along y equal to 0. Nag-assume ko nga downward positive. Pwede rin gyapon. So, mingon ka negative AY plus 9810 plus 23500 equals 0. Balhin mo ang AY sa pikas. So, natin kay AY equals 33354. Sige, magyapon. Basa ka. Ito na 3. Ito na ito nga. Kaming AY newtons. Tapos, direction is basa ka. Okay, next. Again, balik na sa atong equations. Ang atong equations, again, nga pwedeng gamit kang dulo. So, nagamit na nato ni siya. Wala naman tayo lain isolve along y. Kung mabalik pa diri, pakirig yapon. Duha ka ano. Hindi yapon siya ma-solve. So, kaniya itong gamitin ni equation. Pwede ta mag-moment, pwede ta summation or moment at A equal to 0. Kung at A ta, so dito ta mag-moment. Kung mag-moment gata at this point, ma-eliminate ang AY, ma-eliminate ang AX. Kaya wala man siya perpendicular distance, dito ang moment is force times perpendicular distance. Ano siya moment. So, wala siya perpendicular distance padung ano yung point. So, ang pwede na to, ipa-rotate about this point. Kung mag-moment ka at this point, may ipa-rotate mo tanan forces about this point. So, kanina point, ipa-rotate mo pana. Kanina point, ipa-rotate mo pagka-force. Kanina din na force, ipa-rotate mo about it. Dayon, masolve na to ang dx. Summation of moment at A equal to 0, masolve na to si dx. Kung summation of moment at B punta equal to 0, masolve na to si ax. Kung dili punta mag-moment, ito may ma-eliminate. dx, ay, ma-eliminate. Kiwalay perpendicular distance, padulong sa B. Kani siya, kung kani siya forces, so kaning tulo, ang pwede nato ipalatid sa B, solving dayon ax. Okay, una na to solve si ax, si ay mo na to na solve. Say, una na to solve si ax. So, para ma-solve si ax, we sum up moment at B equal to 0. Summation of moment at B meaning ipa-rotate na to tanan forces about point B. Again, dx of ay is ma-eliminate siya. Let's assume ang atong ax, kung tanaw na to ang ax, kung ipa-rotate na siya about B, iyang direction is clockwise. So, let's assume tanan forces na mag-rotate about B in a clockwise direction, positive. Okay, so we have positive ax times perpendicular distance, f times perpendicular distance. So, padulong sa B, ax, yung perpendicular distance is 1.5 meters. Sunod, kaning 9810 nga weight sa crane, mag-rotate siya about B, still clockwise. So, plus 9810 times perpendicular distance is padulong sa B. is 2 meters. Tapos kani siya, na value will rotate, or kanang force will rotate about B clockwise gihapon. So plus 2, 3, 5, 4, 4 times perpendicular distance from the force to the point nga aha ka mag-rotate. This is 6 meters equals 0. Wala naman tayo laing force nga i-add or moment. So equate it to 0. Rearrange the equation. Bali na to ni sa pikas. Okay. So mahimo na siyang ax is equal to negative 9810 times 2 minus 23544 times 6 divided by 1.5. So what is ax? Negative times 2 minus 23544 times 6 over 1.5 equals negative 107.256 Newton. Muna akong giyon ganina, gi-assume na to ang ax pointed to the right. Pero ang natuha na itong result is negative na value. Meaning, baliktad atong gi-assume. So, ato na siyang balihon po. So, ax therefore is equal to positive 107.256 newtons. Tapos, dapat it is directed to the left. So, yun na siya pag mag-negative ang value. Basta, equilibrium of rigid bodies na itong minasolve, ha? Okay, so ito siyang i-designate repair. Ito malibog. Kaning ax should be opposite. Okay, so nalatay ay, nalatay ax. How about bx? Masolve na to si bx. Si bx, pwede tamang moment at a. So, kani, mag-analyze. Or, we can use summation of forces along x or summation of forces horizontal equal to 0. So, summation of forces along x equal to 0. Wala naman tayo laing unknown. Bx na itong i-assume. Bx is to the right. So, i-assume po natin dito nga tanan force to the right, positive. So, positive Bx. Ang Ex is to the left. So, minus Ex. Wala na lain. So, equals 0. Or, Bx is equal to Ax. Bx is equal to 107. Oh, dili na siya point. 107, comma. 7.256. 256 Newton. 107.256. 256 newtons. Tapos, Bx is to the right. So, correct atong assumption sa Bx nga ang iyahang direction is pointed to the right. Yung sense is to the right. So, muna siya ang answers. So, these are the components of the reactions at point A and at point B. Another example, nado tay frame. Supports part of the roof, roof of a small building. The tension in the cable, naga-support sa part sa roof, ang tensile force niya is 150 kN. Determine the reaction at the fixed end E. So, kaning E, Today, at this point, kani siya is a fixed support. Kung fixed support, pila galito ka reaction? EY na atay EX na putay moment at E. So, dire, at this point, ito yung butang kaning tensile force, ano pala na siya na 4, pala ito siya butang din ha. Extend na to. Tensile force DF na 150 kilo Newton. Dayon, at E, mag-assume ta og direction na. Say, assume na to nga EY is pataas. Reaction, alam Y, EX to the right. Tapos, say, moment para nga direction. So, these are assumptions. Pag mag-negative later, ang atong i-solve. So, ato na kayo lang itong i-assume na direction niya. Okay. So, kani siya, tensile force na siya components. Kani nga component, o kani nga component sa dito na siya T, DFX, DFY. Say, kuhaon natin yung angle, or this angle alpha. Say, tangent alpha is equal to 2.25 plus 3.75, or kani siya over kani. This one is 4.5 over 4.5. So alpha therefore is equal to shift tangent over 53.13 degrees. So this is 53, or this is 150 cosine 53.13, 150 sine 150 cosine 90 kilonewton. One one nine point 999 or 120 kilonewton. Sunod. Okay, so kompleto na itong free body diagram. So, natay horizontal, vertical component, ani nga force. Pwede mo siya ibutang nila paano. Listen. Pwede diri. So, siya diri. So, dapat diri siya pinaka-end niya. Okay. Next is, solve na din natin siya. Muna yung ginapangita sa problem. What are the reaction at the support or at the fixed support at point E. Okay, again, the equations that we can use is summation of forces along x equals 0, summation of forces along y equals 0, and summation of moment equal to 0 at any point, Okay, so let's inspect the free body diagram. So sa free body diagram, natay upat ka downward forces, dayon plus 1 sa kaning y component sa 150. Along x, natay kaning force o kaning force unknown kanina ay value. Tapos ano pa rin along y? Along y kaning upat. Tapos na rin tayo moment If we use summation of forces along x, kaning equation una, ang along x na itong equation is kani lang ug kani. So, pwede natin siya gamitin diretso. Summation of forces along x equals 0. Let's assume to the right positive. To the right positive. Assumption naman na siya. So, we have positive EX plus 90 kilonewton equal to 0. Or EX, balik ang 90 sa pikas, equals negative 90 kilonewton. Or EX therefore is equal to positive 90 kilonewton. Tapos, ihang direction should be to the left. So, bali atong gi-assume. So, ito lang ni siyang mag-circle. Kasi ito lang indicate nga dapat paano na siya. Next, let's use this second equation. Summation of forces along y. Kaya kung tanaw na to, muna itong unknown. Then, kani upat o kani, muna siya mga known values. Known sila tanan except kaning isa. So, solve na to si y. Summation along y equal to 0. Assuming nga pataas forces, positive. Tanan forces na pataas, positive. In this case, ang pataas is EY lang. Paubos tanan. So, obvious siya nga. Correct na itong i-assume nga pataas, positive. So, we have positive EY minus 120 minus 20, pila ka mo 21, 2, 3, 4 equals 0. Or minus 20, minus 20, minus 20, minus 20. EY therefore is equal to, pila siya, 80, 120, 200, positive 200 kilonewton. Positive siya, so correct atong assumption. Magpasaka ang EY. Okay, last, solve for ME. In order to solve for the moment at point E, we need to get summation of moment at point E. Then equate it to 0. Dito ang moment para ma-solve na to siya. So let's rotate all the forces about point E except EY and EX. Okay, wala siya perpendicular distance towards point E. So, ang atong napaisa pagiday, kani siya. Dili, apilon. So, ang mga forces lang na mag-rotate about E is kanina force kung kanina part. Okay, so summation of moment at E equal 0. Let's assume, kaya nga itong iputang dali kayo, i-assume na itong paana ang ME. So, mo lang po natin iputang assumption. Tanan forces na mag-rotate about point E in a clockwise direction, positive na sila tanan. Okay, so unsa may positive? Positive, kani isa, ME. Sunod. Kani, rotate siya about E, clockwise. So, positive, kani nga force, times kani nga perpendicular distance, 4.5. So, plus 120 times 4.5. Sunod, kani nga force, mag-rotate about E, paano nga direction? Opposite. So, minus 20 times perpendicular distance padulong sa E is 1.8 minus another 20 times perpendicular distance kasi yung magyapon kanina 20 mag-rotate siya about E sa opposite direction 3.6 minus another 20 minus 20 times 7.2. 7.2 equals 0. Kaya wala na may line force. So, tangang na to, ang 20, kani isa, kani siya, o upat ka 20. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ME is equal to, at ibang sa pikas, 20 times 1.8 plus 20 times 3.6 plus 20 times 5.4 plus 20 times 7.2 minus 120 times 4.5. So, ME is equal to 1.8 plus plus 2 minus 4.5. Negative 180. This is Newton, kilonewton meter. Negative. Therefore, ME is equal to positive kilonewton plus positive 180 kilonewton meter. Tapos, dapat ang iyahang rotation is counterclockwise. So, balik. So, ikutang natin din ano siya, should be in the opposite direction. So, muli siya ito ang answers for this particular problem. So, these are the reactions at the support or at the fixed support at point E. Okay, another example. It says here, a loading car is at rest on an inclined track. So, an inclined track, loading car at rest. The gross weight of the car, so the weight of the car is 5,500 pounds. Applied at the center of gravity, the cart is held in the position in such position by this cable. What is the tension in the cable and the reaction at each pair of wheels? So, atong structure or atong rigid body is a loading car. Is held in this position by this cable. So, the tension sa cable. Diri dayon sa iyang wheels where naa siya contact with this inclined surface or inclined track na atay sa tawag ni. These are roller supports. Pag roller gali na support, kung unsa tong axis, say this axis, na dili siya pwede makamove or restrict yung movement, along this axis, pwede siya makamove. Pero along this axis, dili pwede. So, naadili karon makita ang atong reactions. So, unsa daw kaning duha ka reactions o kaning tensile force sa cable. So, again, ang giingon sa problem is 5,500 pounds ang weight of the car. The weight is applied at the center of gravity sa ito ang car. So, kanya siya. Is 5,500 pounds. Kaning angle is the same as this angle, 25 degrees. Kanina yun siya, say ato ang i-change ato ang axis. So instead of ana ang axis, ato siya i-translate into another axis. Say mo na siya ato ang diri ato ang y, ano itong x prime, say y prime. Kaning 5,500 pound na weight sa car, nani siya ay component ani nga axis o component along x prime axis. Kani siya is equal to 5,000 WC y prime, 5,500 cosine of 25 degrees is equal to cosine 4984,693 pounds. The other one is this WCX 55 sine of 25, or this is equal to 2324.4 pounds. Kanina yung cable supports this car, so the-exert na siya ang tensile force TC. Tapos, again, as I have mentioned, this is a roller support. Ano siya? Kanina are roller supports. So, natay reaction perpendicular mag-apply ng atong support. So, it can move freely along y prime, along this axis, but it is restricted to move along x prime. So, say this is point A to point B. So, natay reaction at A, reaction at B. Pag roller gani, ang iyahang number of unknowns is, or number of reactions is isa lang. So, natay RA, RB. Okay, so ang question is unsay RA, unsay RB, o unsay tensile force exerted by the cable. Okay. Equations. Summation of forces along x equals 0 along x prime. Summation of forces along y prime equals 0, and summation of moment equal to 0. So again, muna siyang mga equations na pwede na ito gamitin. So let's investigate ito ang free body diagram. If we say summation of forces along x prime equals 0, along x prime, natay duha ka unknown. So di siya masolve. But if we use this one, summation of forces along y prime, natay duha ka values along y prime. Natay WCy prime and DC, where this one is known, kaya siya unknown, so nasolve na ito si tensile force. Summation of forces along y prime equal to 0. Say, padulong paana, positive. So we have TC minus 4984,693 equals 0. Or TC, or the tensile force exerted by the cable, 4984,693. 693 pounds. Tapos, yung direction, upwards along y prime. Y prime na axis. Next, so for RA or RB, using summation of moment. So, pwede ko mag-moment at A, I can solve for RB. Pwede ko mag-moment at B, pwede na ko i-solve si RA. Kasi unahan natin si RA. Summation of moment at say B equal to 0. Kung dito mag-moment, ang tanaw na to, ang atong unknown is RA. Ang yang direction, kung i-rotate na to siya about B, is clockwise. So, iputang rapid natin diri, assume tanan forces nga mag-rotate sa B clockwise, positive. So, we have positive RA times perpendicular distance padulong sa B, which is equal to 50. Ito pa ibang force. So, kung dito mag-moment, natay kani, o kani, pa-rotate na to sa B. Ano ito mga clockwise? Kani, clockwise, kani, counter, kani, counter. So, clockwise nga plus 4984.693 times perpendicular distance. Kani siya yung perpendicular distance padulong sa B. Is kani nga distance or 30 inches. Minus 2324.4 times perpendicular distance. Ano yung force? Mag-rotate siya opposite. So, mga minus. Perpendicular distance niya padulong sa B is 25. Minus PC na 4984.693. Kasi malibog mo. Kani siya is C. Times perpendicular distance niya padulong sa B, which is kanya padulong diha is 24. Then equate it to 0 pag wala nila yung force nga may add or moment nga may add. So what is RA? RA therefore is equal to TC 4984.693 times 24, 2324.4 times 25. Tapos, minus 4984.693 times 30, all divided by 50. So, what is RA? RA therefore is 4984.693 times 24 plus 54.4 minus 184.693 times 30 divided by 564.037. This is in pounds. Tapos direction sa RA positive. So, correct na itong assumption. Sunod. Let's use. Pwede mo gamit o summation of moment at A equal to 0. Still, masolve mo si RB. Or, mas easier, summation of forces along x prime equal to 0. Say assume force banat or to the right sa x prime positive. So positive RB plus RA pilain minus 2324.4 equals 0. So kani plus kani plus kani. Ay, minus tayo. Minus. RB therefore is equal to positive 2324.4 minus 564037, or RB is equal to 1760363 tons. Positive. So correct itong assumption sa direction. So that's it for problem 3.